Hello everyone, welcome to D-Light Cotton Candy Machine Factory. This is our new design. Here are all the certificates and copyright patents we have. We have over 70 certificates. This is our office. Office, engineering department, here are some of our parts. This is burner. These packages are ready to ship. Good quality raw materials. Customized logo and lighting hat. Here is production. We can customize language and stickers and logo. Here is the installation area. Here is the packing area. This is Cindy. Welcome to contact me for cotton candy machine business. Thank you.